Hi everyone, I hope that you people are well. Guess what? Today I am going to discuss with you a topic, and what topic is that? Today I'm not going to discuss with you any topic at all. Anyway, I was just kidding. I will discuss with you a quick topic, and that topic is on, again, related to our videos that I started, and that is on external and internal forces. Now, what is an internal force that impacts our internal marketing environment, that impacts the organization? I told you the 4 P's of marketing: the product, the price, the promotion, and the placing. So the first one, how does product have an impact on the marketing environment? Now, the quality of the product, the feature of the product, the design of the product, all these have an impact on the overall marketing environment of the organization. And these are in control of the organization. Suppose if the product features, design, and quality, for instance, are not good, what you can do is, being a company, you can change it. You can adapt to the taste and the likeness and dislikeness of the customers. What about the second one, the promotion, in any order, by the way? So you are using promotional strategies and those strategies are not working. Refer to one of my neuromarketing video where I give an example of a company that they try to come up with a packaging. They try to come up with a promotion, not packaging. They try to come up with a promotional strategy where they included a cute baby in the ad, and the baby was actually looking at the audience. So it actually distract the audience from the original ad, rather than people were focusing more on the cute baby. So that is something that is in their control. So when they found out that this particular strategy, this particular ad is not working, rather it is eliciting some negative emotion, so what happened is that they changed it, and in the next ad they tried to include the same baby, but instead of looking at the audience, this time the baby is looking at the text or the name of the company. So the point I want to make here is that internal environment, the promotion, it is in control. So you can control it, you can change it to suit the environment. What about pricing? Now look at the example of some of these companies. They normally start with a humble price, but as the demand of the product increase, as the product become famous, they change the product, they change the pricing, and it goes up. The normal pricing strategy are the skimming and the penetration strategies, which I may discuss in the pricing topic later. Then we have the distribution or the placement. Now what do we have in the distribution and the placement? Say hi to everyone. You're not happy? Hi guys. Oh, you're tired. Okay. So in distribution, many companies, okay. And in distribution, the companies can actually change their overall distribution strategy. Here in Malaysia, I remember a couple of years ago, McDonald's did not do any home delivery. So you had to have either a pickup or the dine-in option. But now they have. But before you were not born at that time. So now McDonald's actually have a delivery, and they have changed their distribution strategy. So in this video, not only showing you the beautiful view in the background, as you can see, and I am also trying to I also discussed a topic with you, and that is on the marketing environment, internal marketing environment, the controllable. That thing is in control of the organization. So see you in the next video some other time. Take care. Bye.